Greetings everyone, my name is Simran and today we are going to learn about IELTS. Basically, we are going to know about the IELTS and its modules and its types and about the parts as well. So first look at the full form of the IELTS. It's International English Language Testing System, and there are two modules in IELTS system. So first is academic and second is journal. So we are going to know about journal and academic both, through which we are going to learn about how to attempt in the examination and how we can get good band score for future. So students, in IELTS we are having 4 papers in which we are going to know about listening, reading, writing and speaking. So first we are going to talk about listening paper. In listening, we are having 4 sections as well. Like 4 sections, and one by one we are going to know about these sections, so that whenever we are going to give this examination, we are having an inside knowledge like what we are going to hear in the audio. Although we are going to know about the time as well, like what time we are going to get in this. We are going to get 30 minutes where we are going to listen audio only, which is going to play only once, and 10 minutes we will get to deliver our answer, to transfer our answer in the answer sheet. Okay, so students, we are going to know about section 3 now. So in section 3 we are going to listen audio where 2 to 4 people discussing about any university or any academic topic. And if I talk about section 4, in section 4 we are going to listen the monologue again, and in this it could be an academic lecture. These 4 sections we are having where we have to answer 40 questions, and every section contains only 10 questions. So like in this we are going to face the question number 21 to 30, and here we are going to face the question number 31 to 40. This is all about listening sections, and in our next class we are going to know about the types of the questions which we are going to face.